Hi, I'm Marilyn DeMartini with YachtWorld, and we're here aboard the 340 Airship. We're here thanks to SLT Collection that's handling the marketing and sales for Airship, and they're letting people in the U.S. know just how practical and fun a fiberglass rib can be. One of the distinct features of this boat is its speed. In fact, it has racing heritage, as the boat was developed by Cougar powerboats in England and brought here by Steve Curtis, an active racer who shared the boat with Jim Dyke, another prominent offshore racer. They started in about 2000 with a 28-foot boat, and then Airship refined this boat to create the 31 and now the 34-foot. This boat cruises smoothly. It cuts through water incredibly because of its hull design and also because of these Hypalon tubes. So this boat is powered by twin 400 Mercuries. Now, these engines take this boat to nearly 80 miles an hour, so you can see why they have a racing class for this boat in England. It really can get you from your yacht to your destination. It can be used as a recreational boat to the sandbar. It's a durable, comfortable, and fun boat. So come on board and we'll show you some of the other features of the Airship 340. So here in the aft deck, you have lots of comfortable seating. All the upholstery is done here in the U.S., and this boat is built in Ohio. You'll see that there's a very sizable swim platform, which makes this really accessible for diving, snorkeling, all your water sports. It's easy to get off the boat from the transom or over the sides because of the tubes. There's a lot of carbon fiber accents throughout, which gives it a nice little yacht touch for a tender. Lots of cup holders and railings to hold on to as well. The T-top offers a lot of shade for the passengers that are forward, and it's all made of fiberglass. This is infused resins, so it's all composite. There's no wood in this boat, so it's very light and it's very sturdy. So let's move forward to the helm. So here at the helm, we have upholstered bolster seats, which are also electrically actuated, so you can lift the seat and use the boat in whichever way is most comfortable for you. Again, there is a lot of carbon fiber accents here, very dressy for a little boat like this. And it's got a leather-covered wheel, and all of your Mercury instrumentation is laid out very nicely with a Garmin screen, JL audio. You have your controls in a box here under the steering wheel, and you also have all your button switches on the dash as well. So the helm is very easy, great visibility through the windshield. There's also a large number of LED lights. So I hear that this boat lights up like a Christmas tree at night, but it's really convenient to have all that lighting, especially in the storage areas, so that you can see what you're looking for even if you're out later in the evening. There's more to see up at the bow, so let's head there next. Here in the bow, you've got more seating and a removable table that you can use for entertaining. And it stores, the table stores here in a hatch under the floor. And this whole seat lifts up for a huge storage area that you can use for your fenders, for luggage, for life jackets, for anything. It's really sizable and really handy. You'll notice there's some impressive boat jewelry on the bow here. That's called the Samson hook, and it was specifically designed to be able to tie the boat up without having your lines rubbing on the Hypalon tubes. These are very sturdy, and there are 7 different chambers that you can fill with these different valves that are located throughout the boat. You'll notice that there are JL speakers, again, more carbon fiber accents, cup holders, so this is really a comfortable boat for a fun day out on the water. Inside the console, you'll find that there's a head that is sizable, and it also has access to all your electrical rigging, so anything that's on the panel you can access directly through the head. Again, the top is very sizable. You'll see that this has got a FLIR camera, so this boat was really outfitted for perfect use as a yacht tender or for your perfect sandbar party boat. The Airship 340, brought to you by SLT Collection here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thanks for joining us. on Yacht World.